Nadine, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're doing an episode of Mask and Chat, which I haven't done in a while, so I understand if you forgot or don't know what Mask and Chat is. It's basically a segment on my YouTube channel where I put on a face mask and talk about life. I think this 2019, I haven't had like a what am I up to this year sort of chat yet, so we're gonna do that today. Today's video is in collaboration with Olay. Yay! Thank you for sponsoring today's video. It really means a lot and it really helps this channel out. So the mask that we're using today is their Rejuvenating Sheet Mask from the Magnemasks Infusion line. So if you want to have a nice heart-to-heart conversation with me and just have a nice facial mask on, then let's get started. Smells so good. I really like this face mask because it's quite thick and the fit is quite good. I still have some essence left over, which I usually scoop the essence and I just like to put it on my neck so that I don't waste any of the product. This product promises to hydrate firm skin while fading the look of wrinkles, revealing a smooth, radiant glow. So I'm gonna look radiant afterwards, and best used at night, but at night the lighting's bad, so I'm gonna just do it now. And I'm just staying at home today, so it doesn't really matter anyway. I'm not prepared to have a deep conversation with you guys looking like this. I'm just gonna let this sink into my skin for around 15 minutes, and then afterwards I will reveal to you my glowing skin, and then we can get talking into like some life updates. I will see you guys in a bit. Am I glowing, guys? Am I radiant? Yeah, I feel like it really helps in like giving your skin a nice boost of radiance and glowiness. I love that. It says like hashtag I woke up like this. So for sure, I feel like this is perfect for a night, and when you wake up, you just feel so beautiful and refreshed and moisturized. But I also think that it's also okay to use during the day and then put on makeup, you know, for just the brightening effect, and it makes your skin feel so smooth, well nourished. I just love sheet masks so much. And of course, if you're watching this video right now, you know, we just nourished our skin, we might as well drink some water. Yung totoo, medyo nauhaw lang talaga ako. That is the mask. So thanks so much, Olay, again for sponsoring that part of the video. So now we're gonna have a little bit of a chat. Okay, so I've been thinking a lot about like my career and what I want to do with my life. Last year, I want to categorize last year, 2018, as my year of exploration. Like I really went and tried a lot of different things. And I tried to see and get the gist of like what I want to do. You can have this conversation with all of your friends. If you are my age, then you probably already have, or you're currently in the same situation as me, wherein you've graduated and you don't know what to do next. Like what do you want to dedicate your life or most of your life doing? Because work is such a big factor. It is obviously for survival purposes. Like how are you gonna live without earning money, and also how do you still feel like a human being even if you are out there in the workforce working? Like it's kind of trying to figure that out. Like how am I gonna live a life that I feel like I'm living every single day rather than living for the weekend? So if you're younger than me and you're in college and you're like panicking, I want to say that it's okay, but then I'm also not in a point wherein I feel super duper okay and super like grounded and like super happy with where my life is going, my career. So I really have nothing to say other than I feel for you and I know what you're going through, the confusion. It's really a lot to take in. I'm not sure if you're ever gonna be 100% sure, and that's my prayer for me and for you, like clarity. Anyway, in January, I started job hunting with my friend, and I just wanted to tell you like how job hunting is if you're interested to hear my cuentos, I guess. The 5, I think, places where I found job openings or where I emailed to. In January, I went on like four interviews, or 3.5. I forget. The half was just like a phone chill interview, but I wasn't super into that. The next one was at the e-commerce beauty startup website. After that interview, I really like felt it in my heart that I did super poorly. I was just so intimidated by the people who were interviewing me. Yeah, after the interview, the first thing in my head was like, oh, I blew it. So I was rejected at that. And I wanted to mention that I was rejected so that you guys know that rejection happened. And it's not that big of a deal. My personality and how I think of rejection is that at least it's a sure no. It's a sure sign that that is not the path for you. It's kind of sad, but I don't think I've ever wanted something super duper enough for me to be gutted that I was rejected. I don't know what that says about me as a person. The third interview that I went on was really lit. It was really good. Like, I had the best time. It was for another startup. It's more of things that I know I have the skills for, and I want to nurture and grow and develop those skills in a work type of setting. Like I said, last year was like for exploratory purposes. This year, I finally realize what I want to do. I want to zone in on what I'm good at and try to master a craft. In anything in life, I think you can learn a lot from any work that you get into. But then my point is, I really want to hone in on the craft and I really want to master it, or like be an expert at something. Like, that's what I want to do this year, instead of continually like learning all of these other skill sets. Like, they're all important, I recognize that, but then I want to be more intentional. So after that interview, I had like the best chat with the person who interviewed me, and I just felt really good afterwards. So I had a great feeling about it. You don't want to feel overconfident, but then I got offered the job, which I'm super stoked about. And then the last is a travel startup. During the interview, I think it was okay. Like, I had an okay time, but then I wasn't super sold on the work. I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know if that was like all over the place, but hopefully you got something out of that. Still figuring life out day by day, trying to not be super scared about the future. Pray for me. I also pray for you. I think that's it for my updates. Thank you for listening to me talk. So again, this video is sponsored by Olay, Magnemasks, Infusion, and I'm encouraging you guys to try the mask out if you want a nice treat and if you love sheet masks. And just a note, this video is a 2-part kind of video, so they're also sponsoring another video soon. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know because we're pretty transparent here. This video was from my heart to yours, and I'll see you guys in my next one super soon. Bye!